Hello everyone, I got a Ford Fusion 2012. On this one, it's a 3.0. So the issue with this one is that customer states that there is a crank but no start on this car. So the first thing I did is to check for fuel pressure, right? Because the crank sounds pretty good, battery is new, so it was solid. I'm checking now with the fuel pressure. So the way you do that, you connect it to this fuel rail right here, and it connects to this hose as well. You'll be able to find it quick. And so I see there is good no pressure, no fuel pressure at all in the fuel pump, and also, if you want to replace this fuel pump, good thing is it's going to be under the seat, rear seat, and it's going to be right there. So that's a good thing. You know, I was how do you say that? I was confused because I thought it was maybe the fuel pump, but on this one you also have a fuel pressure control module, which is all the way in the back of the trunk right here. If you can see it, oh, maybe you cannot see it that well, but yeah, right there. So one thing that I noticed, they can either go bad because, you know, this is an electrical thing, so they can go bad from whatever reason. But another thing I noticed is that this car, when it rains, look, there is water in there next to the freaking next to the coil. So to me, that could definitely do some damage to the coil, to this module, sorry. And yeah, I noticed this module is not working. There's no, from here there is no current, there is no power, and yeah, so quick fix will be that I replace this one and with this new module, and car worked properly again. So that was an easy thing, quick video. If this helps, you know, that's great. Just keep in mind those things, either this module or the fuel pump, they're going bad, and this water gets here, and it could be damaging your module as well. All right, take care.